In this video, I will show you how you can draw on a picture on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just open the Gallery app on your Samsung phone, then select the photo on which you want to draw. After that, just tap on the edit button over here. Then from this menu, just select the emoji icon. Now from here, just select the tool which you prefer, then tap on it one more time, and you will find all the settings of the selected tool. As you can see, you can select between the different types of pens available. From the slider, you can increase or decrease the thickness of the lines created by the pen. And from here, you can increase or decrease the opacity of the ink. Now, if you want to change the color of the ink, you can do it from here. You can even select a custom color from here. Now, after you do that, you just tap on anywhere on the screen and you will be able to draw on your picture. Just like that. Now once you're satisfied with your drawing, then just tap on save. Now if you want to keep the current resolution, just select keep current resolution. But if you want to increase the resolution of your photo, just tap on increase resolution. And as you can see, this is how you can draw on your picture using your Samsung phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.